Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove reflections from photos on the Samsung Galaxy A56. So first off, let's open up the photo that we want to remove the reflection from. So for example, I have this photo, but there is this like little reflection in it. And basically if you have a reflection in a photo, what you're gonna do is press on this little sparkles icon on the bottom in the middle, and then it's going to present you with like a few options. So if the AI finds a reflection to erase, there's going to be an erase reflections option. So you click on that option and it's going to start erasing that reflection. And yeah, so it's going to work most of the time. It works the best with faces, and yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.